This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Fuel filters replacement. Open the door and pull the hood release lever located on the driver's side kick panel. Slide the hood safety latch to the left, then raise the hood upwards. Secondary fuel filter replacement. Remove the engine cover if equipped. Then place a few rags or newspaper below the fuel filter and filter connections. With the fuel system pressure relieved, using 2 small screwdrivers, push each leg of the retainer clip apart, then apply a slight amount of upwards pressure until the clip pops up. Apply very little pressure as the clip should release easily. Disconnect the fuel line connector from the fitting. Using a small screwdriver, depress the locking tab and pull the fuel line connector off of the fitting. Wrap the fuel lines in the rags and secure the lines out of the way. Loosen the fuel filter bracket bolt at the back of the housing. Rotate the filter counterclockwise until the tab on the filter is aligned with the groove in the bracket. Then pull the filter out of the bracket. Align the locking tab on the filter body with the groove in the mounting bracket. Insert the new filter into the bracket and rotate the filter approximately 1/4 turn clockwise until it stops. Tighten the fuel line filter bracket bolt securely. Connect the rearmost fuel line to the filter, making sure it locks into place. An audible click should be heard. With the safety tab in the outward position, slide the connector onto the fuel filter fitting, then press down the safety tab, making sure it locks into place. An audible click should be heard. Primary fuel filter replacement. Raise the right side of the vehicle and support it on jack stands. The primary filter is part of the Diesel Fuel Conditioning Module, DFCM, that is bolted to the left frame rail of the vehicle, near the transfer case. Place a drain pan and rags under the fuel filter. Disconnect the water and fuel sensor electrical connector. Place a large socket and ratchet on the fuel filter cover, then loosen the fuel filter cover and unscrew it counterclockwise at least 3 full turns. Loosen the drain plug until the O-ring is starting to show and allow the fuel to drain. Continue to unscrew the fuel cover until it can be removed. Separate the filter from the cover. Using a small screwdriver or pick, remove the filter cover O-ring and clean the area around the filter housing. Apply a small amount of diesel fuel onto the new O-ring, then install the new O-ring into the groove on the filter housing. Clean the filter cover and inspect the cover for debris. Push the filter into the filter cover until the filter snaps into the locking tabs at the base of the cover. Install the fuel filter cover assembly onto the DFCM and rotate the cover clockwise until it contacts the mechanical stops. Do not use power tools to tighten the cover or the DFCM, or the filter cover may be damaged. Connect the water in fuel sensor electrical connector. Be sure to tighten the filter drain plug securely. Lower the front of the truck to the ground. Release the handbrake. Connect the cables to the negative battery terminals on both batteries and tighten the cable nuts securely. Turn the ignition switch to the on position and wait a few seconds to allow the fuel system to pressurize. Then start the engine and check for fuel leaks.